guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, it is Bubur Mutiara Pandan. This is a sweet porridge from Indonesia made of tapioca pearl. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Bye. And we have a bomber here wanting to say bye as well. Come say bye! Bye! And this porridge is his favorite. Bring 3 cups of water to boil. Once boiling, add in 1 cup of tapioca pearl or sagu pearl. We call it mutiara in Indonesia, and boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you're gonna turn off the stove and then cover it and let it stand for 7 minutes. Once resting for 7 minutes, now you're gonna turn on your stove again and continue to boil until the porridge is done. You know the porridge is cooked when those pearls translucent or transparent, and you want to boil it on low heat. All of them already translucent, so it's all depending. And you also can add more water if you like, by the way, so that you can produce a lot more porridge. I like adding half cup of sugar when it's like this, and continue cooking until all sugar dissolve. And if you want, you can add pandan paste as well for more fragrant porridge. Sometimes this tapioca comes in red color, sometimes in brown color. Mine came in green color. You can add the pandan paste to make it not just fragrant but color it, but it's optional. And your porridge is ready. Now we're gonna prepare the coconut milk. Transparent or translucent. I can see a tiny bit that it's still white. Now to accompany the tapioca pearl porridge, we're gonna boil 1 can of coconut milk, adding in half can of water, 1 knotted screw pine leaf, and a little salt to taste. To serve, just place some of the porridge into a bowl and pour some of the coconut milk on top of it. You can add ice or you can serve warm.